back to my channel. It's Aubrey Ashley. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you know every time I drop a new video. You guys, today we are going to go over our 6-month update, and I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of my new office space here. Y'all can see a little bit, of course I'm not done, but I want to give y'all this mini tour. Then I'm gonna go ahead when I'm finished and give y'all the big tour, because listen, this room's gonna be lit and y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing. I got the good lighting. I mean, it's okay, it's not like good, but it's good enough. But yeah, so we gonna get into this video like right now. So you guys, pretty much over here, don't mind these gold flowers. I'm gonna trim this mirror with. I just got the idea. I don't know why, how, and what I did to make this pop my head, but it did. So this is just a mirror that I use. Right here, I'm literally like, you can see this entire wall from the very top to the bottom. I'm gonna have a really cute iridescent glitter piece of fabric so that my clients can stand in front of, so that I can get good pictures of their hair. Also, this right here is just my kit and my salon chair. Y'all never got to see my salon chair, but that is her with my cute little furry pillow. I never got it to my old house for some odd reason. That's just a lamp for lighting in that area. This glam office sign. These are my 2 capes. This one is for when I dip box braids so the water doesn't get, because it's a little bit thicker than this one, which is the cutting cape. This is the chemical cape. This is for like washes, shampoos and stuff, but for right now I use it because when I dip box braids, I don't want the hot water to hit my clients, so it's a little bit thicker and I use it for that. And the cutting cape is just like when I'm cutting sewing hair or whatever, and I don't want the hair to get on my client. Now all this stuff over here I've already shown y'all, so if y'all want to see it, go look at my old video. Everything's basically the same. It's just in a different layout, different room, different place. You know, so yeah, that's all my stuff, but I will show y'all my daily uses. So I use this to hold my braid pieces to my hair. This is just extra mirror for me when I'm doing makeup. Crochet hooks, this is a crochet hook, this is a crochet hook. Got a brush, shears, these are thinning shears, and these are small shears, and these right here are my everyday shears. These are the larger ones, these are the ones that fit my hair. My combs, these are my rat tail combs, actually, my babies. And then the rest of these are just control clips and regular clips up here. Of course, my hairband is still here. This is going to be a huge ass DIY, so don't mind it. I'm thinking about going like with the fur, the boa, everything. Ooh, y'all can see me. Hey, what's up? But yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. That corner is just personal stuff, like my little makeup box or whatever. Mailers, things for taking my photos, my little inventory book and stuff is in here. This is all business stuff, and then this is inventory. What I got, sandals. Got some sandals and some more bubble mailers and stuff in there. This is just a holder for like all my important stuff, and when I buy stuff from y'all. Some learning stuff for my baby, my oldest. My cute little light and my sign that says "You got this." Well, my wall art, not sign, but you know what it is, because I got this. And then we're getting into the good part. This is where, okay, my tea kettle, that's for what I use to dip my braids in. But up here we got some ankle bracelets. This is where I hang like all the stuff when it's getting ready to ship out. And then this is all of my stuff right here, if y'all can see. Oh, Aubrey Ashley all crooked and whatnot. Sorry, gotta fix her, because she definitely needs to be fixed. But yeah, so this is where I hang all of my pieces that I send. Like, y'all get the same ones, but you know, these are the ones that I wear on a daily. I put some gold flowers up here just to, you know, match the aesthetic. And let me back up so y'all can check it out fully. That is just my little old desk or whatever. second row, I kind of keep pencils, pens, stuff like that. All of my jewelry stuff is in here. If y'all can see the little charms and stuff. This is literally my makeup bag. Then computer. And if you're wondering what this is, it's a speaker. So when my clients come, we bump some music. That's what we do. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Tripod. I got a cute little glitter cup. This is why I burn my incense in that. Computer. My little wall mural for my baby and my husband. And this is, I keep my little incense pack up under here with all the chakras. And then these are just sticky notes. And then this is my order book. So I'll write down all your addresses and everything to go in through here. Charger. YouTube book. And I needed this to wipe down the desk. But if y'all can see, the desk is kind of like worn. But I'm not tripping. This week I'm going to go to Home Depot, Lowe's, something, so that I can get the marble sticky cover stuff to go on top of here. So I'm going to make this white marble. Everything else is under here, just planners, books, and stuff like that. And then, of course, my printer is down here. And moving on to this one. And then we make it over here, and we're going to be filling this entire wall up with my headscarves. As you can tell, headscarves, head wraps, hats, all that stuff. So I'm going to be hanging all of that here. And then we get over here to this wall, which still needs to be updated. This is going to be my weekly schedule. Now, hair appointments. What, baby? Hold on, baby. Hair appointments, my baby schedules, all of that. This is what this board is for. This is more like a personal, not like a work board. So we are finished. This is just a storage closet, and we are back to the door. So that is the entire office area, which is bomb bomb. Yes, you guys, that is my new office. It's kind of giving me, like, since it's all clean and cute and whatnot, it's giving me vibes to want to do more. And of course, that's what you want. You want to be able to, you know, do what you want, do what you love, but in a space that you love too. So I do advise you to, you know, kind of make your office space yours. You know what I'm saying? Like, make your office space, I don't know, like a place that you would want to be all the time. So that's my aim for right now. I still got a couple of little things I gotta do, but of course it's gonna get there, okay? Like, that's just what it's gonna be. But yeah, so I hope I just love this office space forever and ever, because we're not moving. We're not going anywhere for a good ass minute, okay? So before we get into anything, we're gonna get into this hair. Of course, I am wrapping Aubrey Ashley's dollhouse hair, okay? I have all inches that you could probably think of, or that you would probably want. But this is a Brazilian curly. I wand curled it. I actually cut it. It was 14 inches. I cut it. I don't know how long this is, but this bob, I'm feeling it. But anyway, so yeah, I cut it to this bob length, and it's flowy, it's beautiful, I love it, okay? I am in love with this hair right now. So yeah, go shop out at the dollhouse. Also, I'm wearing the Key of Hearts chain. So head to Aubrey Ashley's dollhouse to go get you some cute bundles, some bomb ass accessories, and some bomb ass lashes. So let's get into our 6-month review. Okay, you guys, let's get into this revenue. So, our revenue for 6 months with Aubrey Ashley's dollhouse is $7,992. Y'all, we like a few from 8,000. So I want to round it off to 8,000, but yo, it's literally almost there. So I think that is bomb, okay? For your 6 months of business. I personally didn't set up a goal. I think I did. I don't remember. I have to look online to see if I posted or not. But I have not been thinking about this goal, and I've been working my ass off, but I just haven't thought about this goal, you know? And looking at it here, these next 6 months, we're gonna have to hit 10K. So let me tell you, my first few months, I did not implement any marketing. I didn't implement anything really big. So my first few months, January and February, which is I launched AUBRI as a Jar House January 2019. So I didn't implement any marketing strategies. I was just posting, going, adding crap as I went, not even really thinking about all the things that I wanted to, add or what I really wanted to offer. And I was selling my lashes at the base prices of, I think, $8 and $12, I think. Yeah. So let me tell y'all the gross for, that's the boys in the background if you're wondering. They're not dying, they're playing. But anyway, so I'm gonna tell y'all the gross for the month of January and the month of February, because March is when I started implementing and learning all my new strategies, techniques, and things like that. So let's get January and February. Okay, so for January I grossed $787. Then for February I grossed $1,298, which, I mean, that's good. That's good for your first 2 months. That's really exciting for your first 2 months. But I did not learn nothing. I was just posting, making sales, doing drop-offs. That's not even including the cash sales that I have, or the drop-offs and stuff like that. And that is without me doing wholesale. I did not start wholesale at all. So those are good for those 2 months. Let's go into March and April. February, March 1st into March. When is in March and 31st? Yeah, 31st. Let's check that. No, I didn't submit it, my bad. So we turn around and we hit March, we grossed $1,618. Then turn around and go to April. I'm sorry, y'all, I clicked super slow, so don't expect too much from me. I'm gonna have to move a little bit faster. And we're gonna hit April 30th. So from March to April, in April we hit 1,395. And so remember I was telling y'all how, being an entrepreneur, it's never the same. It's literally never the same. Y'all see how I grossed $1,600 in freaking March and then turn around and hit $1,300 in April? That's normal, but the goal is to always make it increase rather than decrease. So what I did in April is when I implemented all my marketing strategies. So my marketing strategies implemented hashtags, posting 2 to 3 times a day, hitting people's inboxes, tagging folks, removing extra people from my page that didn't need to be there. Everything social media related, I started implementing in April. And I started implementing and doing everything in March. That's when I started learning stuff, started reading up on things, learning the Instagram algorithm and all of that. I don't know if I said that right, but yeah, but I did all of that, and I am now moving up instead of down, which I did end up taking a break in these next few months. You're gonna see how I kind of toned it down, just kind of now, while this video is up so late. I started taking a break, y'all. I don't know how to give myself a break when I need it, and I overwork, I overbook, I overdo a lot of stuff, and it needs to stop. I have to learn to balance myself, because I can't work if I'm tired. And here you're gonna see what I'm talking about when I start taking a break, stop posting as much and doing everything I wanted. Not everything I wanted, but everything that I was supposed to do, because here in May, I hit $1,030, which that's a lot lower than what I was used to, which, that was a really slow month, which is not bad, you know what I'm saying? I'm grateful for everything that I get, whether it be from my braids, whether it be from my AUBRI Ashes dollhouse, you know what I'm saying? I am grateful for anything that I get. But, yeah, so sometimes you have to take a break. If you have to take a break, it's not like you're gonna just go completely freaking broke, you know what I'm saying? But you don't have to take a month like I did. I still worked, but I didn't work as hard, you know what I'm saying? So y'all just gotta balance, okay? Don't be like me. Do not be like me and wear yourself out. So you guys, we get into June month 6, and remember, I started implementing everything that I needed to do, you know, working on my content, posting daily, getting into, getting into my routine and everything, and we hit $1,750. So $1,700, which is good. Boom. That means we're working our way back up, and it is now July. So I think we're doing a pretty darn good job, you guys. You know, just the biggest thing that I would say is set a goal. So my goal for our next 6 months, which of course I'll end up doing a video, but I'm gonna put 10 or 11K is my goal. Our next few videos we're probably gonna be doing, I'm gonna make a vision board, so I'm gonna let y'all do that with me. And then the video after this, so if I have on the same thing, that's what it is. I recorded the same day, but the video after this, vision board video, and then we're gonna do a scheduled video. So that's gonna be the second video that I record today, a entrepreneur schedule video. So it's gonna be another part of the entrepreneur series, because I actually came up with it. I needed to record it for y'all because a lot of people want to know how to come up with a schedule. So that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for my 6-month revenue. You know, you just have to work hard, okay? You have to work hard. You have to work on your content. You have to engage. You have to engage, okay? I want you to engage with your followers. So that'll make more followers come, and that'll also make random people come. So when they see them, you know, because you know, when people can see what other people do on Instagram, you have to make your followers engage. So that's what I want y'all to work on. Set y'all goals. Tell me y'all monthly goals for the month of July in the comments below. So yeah, you guys, y'all keep working. But if I can do this, you can do this. So, you know, keep working, study up, take some more classes, work on that content, and do what you need to do to get yourself out there. Because we're all going to be big. We're small right now, but we're all going to be big. Come soon. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. We got a new entrepreneur series videos coming next. So be prepared, be ready, and I will see y'all next time.